Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of Pinterest and you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK, like this. Here in this window you will click on storage, then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.